Most traders walk into the next setup carrying emotional baggage from the last one. A loss makes them cautious. A win makes them greedy. And suddenly, what should be a clean execution becomes a reaction to something that already happened. But here's the truth. Every trade is a new trade. It doesn't care what happened yesterday, and neither should you. I used to journal every trade with way too much emotion. After a loss, my entries became late and conservative. I needed extra confirmation. I hesitated. I overthought. After a big win, I'd loosen my rules. I'd take bonus trades, convinced I was on a hot streak. In both cases, I wasn't trading the chart. I was trading the feeling left over from the last one. And that's when I realized your trading account doesn't reward memory. It rewards execution. Let's break this down. Suppose your system has a 60% win rate. That means, over time, out of every 10 trades, you'll win 6 and lose 4. But the order? Completely random. You could lose 3 in a row, then win 6, or win 4, then lose 4. It's not about the sequence, it's about the system. So when you approach the next trade like it owes you something, you've already lost your edge. Because the moment you try to make up for a past trade, you're no longer thinking in probabilities. You're thinking in emotion. Here's the shift. Detach your identity from the outcome of individual trades. Your job is not to string together a perfect streak. Your job is to execute your system consistently over time. If you won the last trade, great. That doesn't mean this one will win. If you lost the last trade, that's fine. It doesn't mean you're off track. What matters is this chart, this signal, this moment. Does it meet your criteria? Can you accept the risk? Do you have a plan for both outcomes? If yes, trade it. If not, don't. But don't let your last trade be the reason. So here's your challenge today. Before you take your next trade, pause and ask, am I bringing emotional residue from the last trade into this one? Am I trying to prove something or just following my rules? If I hadn't traded yesterday, would I still take this trade today? Be honest. Because every time you carry the past into the present, you distort your edge. Great traders don't think in wins and losses. They think in decisions. A great decision that loses money is still a win. And a sloppy decision that makes money is still a red flag. Let that be your compass. The next trade doesn't owe you anything. It's not a revenge mission. It's not a victory lap. It's just another opportunity to execute your edge with clarity. So leave the baggage behind. Take a breath. Trade what's real. Thanks for tuning in. If you got value from today's episode, be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who trades. And if you're ready to sharpen your skills even further, click the link for tools, training, and resources to help you trade smarter, no matter the market. Until next time, trade smart, stay focused, and have a great day.